Here's the Kia Sedona. Let's go ahead and open up the hatch. Now it's the exact same process on both the sides. You're just going to need a small flathead screwdriver. It's important this is a small one because if it's too big, too thick, it will not work. Because we need to get the screwdriver right underneath that clip over there and then use that screwdriver to pry the clip out from the locked position. Just a little bit. Once it's out, you'll be able to now just grab onto the strut, twist and turn it a little bit, and then it'll pop right off of that ball that's over there. And the moment the strut comes off from here, the hatch will not stay in place, so you'll need a friend to hold it in place while you work on this job. So let's repeat the process now for the other side. Let's get this clip out from the lock position. That is good. Let's look at this. I'll put the clip back in lock position and see this metal thing that's sticking out inside there. That's what keeps this strut in place. Let's pull this back, and that's unlocked. There's nothing there, and you were able to pull the strut out. Now with the new strut, if the clip is already in the lock position, it just makes your life easier, because when you put it back on the ball, it just unlocks and locks automatically. But if it's in the unlock position like this, that's fine. You can just use your screwdriver to push it back in there. That is good. Let's repeat the process now for the other side. Same thing. Just get this strut back on the ball and then push this clip back into the lock position using the screwdriver. It may take a few seconds, so be patient with this. This is looking good. Let's just try this out now. Make sure the strut's not moving, and that's it. Let's just repeat this. 2 clips, one on each side. Same process on the other one. No differences. This is working fine, and that is pretty much it. Before we go, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They're a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in the description for their entire inventory.